Prepare for a deep dive into the world of premium personal audio as the digital airwaves buzz. With anticipation for Apple's next major release, the AirPods Pro 3. Far more than a simple refresh, this third-generation iteration of Apple's flagship earbuds is poised to be a pivotal moment in the wireless audio sector. In a market where innovation is the only path to sustain leadership, the rumored features of the AirPods Pro 3 could very well redefine what consumers expect from their earbuds. This comprehensive analysis will explore the leaked details, market implications, and groundbreaking new capabilities that could position the AirPods Pro 3 as a true game-changer. We'll delve into the new H3 chipset, revolutionary health sensors, and the potential for real-time translation, all while examining how these features will shape the future of personal technology. Redefining dominance in a crowded market, Apple's strategic move landscape of the premium wireless earbuds market is a dynamic and fiercely competitive one. While Apple has long been the undisputed leader with its iconic AirPods line, a new wave of challengers has emerged. Companies like Samsung with its Galaxy Buds, Sony with the critically acclaimed WF-1000XM series, and a plethora of other brands are all vying for a piece of the pie. These competitors are not just matching Apple's audio quality. They are introducing compelling features, aggressive pricing, and unique design elements that are chipping away at Apple's market share. The significance of the AirPods Pro 3, therefore, extends far beyond a typical product launch. It is a strategic imperative for Apple to not only maintain its current leadership, but also to reinvigorate a market showing signs of maturation. With a significant portion of iPhone users already owning some form of AirPods, a simple incremental upgrade won't be enough to drive mass adoption. The new AirPods Pro need to offer a compelling reason for existing users to upgrade and for new users to choose Apple over the competition. By introducing genuinely innovative features and expanding the earbuds' functionality beyond just music playback, Apple aims to solidify its position and set a new standard for what a modern wearable audio device can be. The AirPods Pro 3 are a statement of intent, a declaration that Apple is committed to leading the charge in the future of personal audio and wearable technology. Anticipated features, a glimpse into the future of audio. The leaks and rumors surrounding the AirPods Pro 3 paint a picture of a device packed with advanced technologies and thoughtful design refinements. These features, if realized, could make the AirPods Pro 3 the most advanced and versatile earbuds on the market. 1. A fresh look and feel, the evolution of iconic design. While the core aesthetic of the AirPods Pro is expected to remain, the third generation will likely introduce subtle but impactful design changes. Rumors suggest a more streamlined and ergonomic design, with a focus on enhanced comfort and a more secure fit. The iconic stem, a signature element of the AirPods, is expected to be more refined, potentially incorporating advanced haptic feedback for controls. The charging case is also getting the makeover, with a slimmer profile that makes it more pocket-friendly. A new, discreetly placed LED indicator and a capacitive button are also rumored to be added, offering users more intuitive ways to interact with their device. While the classic white finish will undoubtedly be the default, Apple may introduce new color options, providing a touch of personalization for the modern consumer. 2. A quantum leap in performance. The H3 chipset at the core of these performance upgrades is the rumored H3 chipset. This new, custom-designed silicon is expected to power a host of new features and deliver significant improvements over the existing H2 chip. Key advancements include next-generation active noise cancellation ANC. The H3 chipset will enable more powerful and dynamic ANC, capable of adapting to a wider range of environmental noises. The system will likely use machine learning algorithms to intelligently block out specific frequencies while allowing others to pass through, creating an even more immersive and personalized listening experience. Enhanced transparency mode. The transparency mode, which allows external sounds to filter in, will also see a major upgrade. The new chipset will process external audio with even greater fidelity, making conversations sound more natural and less like they are being processed through a microphone. This will be a huge benefit for users who need to stay aware of their surroundings without removing their earbuds. Spatial audio 2.0. With the H3 chip, spatial audio is expected to become even more immersive and dynamic. The new version could incorporate advanced head tracking and personalized sound profiles, creating a truly cinematic and three-dimensional audio experience for music, movies, and gaming. Superior battery efficiency. The H3 chipset is designed with a focus on power efficiency, which means longer listening times on a single charge. This is a critical upgrade for a device meant for all-day use, ensuring that users can enjoy their audio without constantly worrying about their battery life. 3. Health and wellness integration. Beyond audio, one of the most revolutionary rumored features of the AirPods Pro 3 is the integration of advanced health monitoring sensors. Reports suggest the inclusion of in-ear heart rate sensors and temperature tracking capabilities. This positions the AirPods Pro 3 as a hybrid device, a fitness accessory, and an audio device all in one. These features will appeal to a broad audience, from dedicated athletes and fitness enthusiasts to health-conscious individuals who want to passively monitor their well-being. This integration further cements the AirPods' role in Apple's broader ecosystem of health-focused devices, from the Apple Watch to the iPhone's Health app. 4. Breaking down language barriers, real-time translation. The most groundbreaking and potentially world-changing feature rumored for the AirPods Pro 3 is on-device real-time language translation. This technology, powered by the H3 chipset, could transform the earbuds into a universal communication tool. While the initial language support may be limited, the potential for seamless two-way translation is immense. This feature would be invaluable for travelers, international business professionals, and anyone who interacts with people from different linguistic backgrounds. This feature, if perfected, could be the standout selling point of the AirPods Pro 3, making them an essential tool for global connectivity. The road to release, speculation, and market dynamics. The exact release timeline for the AirPods Pro 3 is still a matter of intense speculation. While some early whispers suggested a late 2023 or early 2024 launch, most analysts now point to a more likely release in the second half of 2025. This timing aligns with Apple's typical product cycles and provides ample time to perfect the complex new technologies, such as the health sensors and translation capabilities. Recent inventory clearance sales of older AirPods models at various retailers have further fueled rumors of an imminent launch, signaling that Apple is preparing its supply chain for the new product. As for pricing, industry watchers anticipate a modest price increase to reflect the addition of these advanced features. The current AirPods Pro 2 are priced at $249, and it is widely speculated that the AirPods Pro 3 will land in the $279 to $299 range. While this price point firmly positions them in the premium segment, Apple's reputation for quality, coupled with the new innovative features, is expected to justify the cost for many consumers. The company's brand loyalty and ecosystem lock-in will also play a significant role in convincing users to make the upgrade. Why the AirPods Pro 3 are more than an upgrade, a glimpse into the future of wearables. AirPods Pro 3 are not just another pair of earbuds. They represent a strategic evolution of Apple's personal audio and wearable technology vision. By seamlessly integrating health monitoring, real-time communication tools, and a quantum leap in audio performance, Apple is pushing the boundaries of what a wearable device can achieve. The AirPods Pro 3 will likely become the central hub for users' audio, health, and communication needs, further strengthening the Apple ecosystem and solidifying its leadership in the tech world. For the modern consumer, the AirPods Pro 3 offer a compelling value proposition. Whether you are an audiophile seeking the best sound quality, a fitness enthusiast tracking your health metrics, or a global traveler needing to communicate across languages, these earbuds are designed to meet a diverse range of needs. They are a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation and its ability to anticipate and shape consumer demands. As the final release date approaches, all eyes will be on Apple to see if the AirPods Pro 3 live up to their monumental hype and redefine the standards for personal audio for years to come.